Hello guys, this is Patience Ekle Ugochukwu, and today I'll be showing you how to activate your follow button on Facebook, either as an individual or an influencer on Facebook. Okay, what you're going to do is for you to just log in into your Facebook from your app. All right, so now once you log into your Facebook, click on these three horizontal line at the top right corner of your phone. Look at it. I just clicked on it. Then you scroll down. Okay, then you click on settings and privacy. I just clicked on settings and privacy, and after settings and privacy you click on settings. Okay, I just clicked on it. So once you click on settings, the next thing you click on is profile settings. All right, click on profile settings. So now under profile settings, you click on profile privacy. After clicking on profile privacy, you're going to scroll down and you'll be looking for who can send you friend requests. Okay, look at it here. How people find and contact you. Under it, you see who can send you friend requests. Then you click on the arrow by beside it. Then your own will be highlighted everyone. You are going to change it from everyone to friends of friends. Get this part correctly. Who can send you friend request? Click on friends of friends. If yours is on everyone, remove it from everyone and click on friends of friends. Once you are done clicking on friends of friends, then you go back a step. Click on this arrow here by your left top corner, a step back. All right, then the next thing again, you click another step back. Then you scroll down, and next thing you'll be looking for is public post. Click on public post. Okay, this is public post. Okay, ensure that the first item here, click on public. Okay, yours will be showing on friends. Remove it from friends, click on public, then scroll down again. Who can see your followers on your timeline? Click on public. All right, then you scroll down again. Who can update this on individual posts without affecting your account settings? Make sure you click on public. All right, then public post notification, make sure it's on everyone. All right, then the next one, public profile info, let it be on public. All right, not friends of friends here. This one is on public. Okay, then that's all. Okay, so ensure that all your settings are like this one here. Did you get that right? If you did not get it right, watch the video all over again. Okay, then you go back, another step back, then you quickly go to your profile. Okay, quickly go to your profile. This is my profile. Then these three dotted lines, you come here, then you click on view as. Okay, you will see that it will no longer be add friends but follow. All right, do it and let me know, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to call us for your beautiful website designs and every other graphic designs based on your digital marketing and affiliate marketing course. Okay, so this is another Peco Africa video series, and from here we'll say bye, and you can always reach us on this number 09034296519. Call us or send us a WhatsApp message. Bye for now.